darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
I am pulling up to the stunt lot right now, and Tyler should be here stunting already. What's up? There you go. Just so steady with it. But it keeps the RPMs up still.
I have come here to chew bubblegum and kick ass. And I'm all out of bubblegum.
Do you think letting off a little bit of air in my tire would help a little? That was really high. Did all right there. Super close, but you're pretty close. Now that was out. That wasn't down. That was out. That was like probably this far off the ground. Oh, second gear. I shouldn't have tried it. I don't know how to wheelie that good, and I tried second gear, and I just knew as soon as it started, I was like, nope, ditching it. I'm glad I ditched it. Barely got it right there.
Ooh.
It's not that bad, right?
No, it's just...
And I barely got it on the leg. Barely even...
Mike says you're in third.
No, I wasn't in third. Up.
It might have... Oh,
uh-oh.
Clever.
As soon as I felt it start going back, I tried to hit the brake, but it was too late, and then I was falling off the seat and I couldn't get back. As soon as I felt it, I tried to stop, but I couldn't. I'm just not good enough at it. But I'm glad I let it go. As soon as I felt it, I was like, no, this ain't happening again. Yeah, this piece bent in. See where it's bent in right there?
Oh, yeah.
But it's not too bad. I mean, if it was a Grom, I would have probably broke like 50 things on the side. Well, no, I think the linkage is messed up. And to think, I was wondering, am I gonna make a video about this? Well, I mean, I'm in first gear. I might as well take advantage of it.
Yeah, I heard him. Okay. I got you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. That's the reason I'm getting home. All right, shifter is sort of fixed. Well, it's shifted, it doesn't really work like it's supposed to. All right, me and Tyler are gonna split. He's got some plans and stuff. I appreciate your ride, man. So I'm gonna go home and try to fix my shifter. It's kind of like catching, so okay, to the house. No loopies, you said?
No more.
No more for today? We'll try not to. Alright guys, we are back in the shop. As you can see, the rear did take a lot of damage. A lot of the LEDs are broken now. So, oh well, you know, it comes with it. The TST slider worked tremendously, if you can tell there. So happy I put the sliders on. Also, the front slider barely touched, so that one worked as well. Now for the shifter, if you couldn't tell in the video, what the shifter is doing is basically when you shift down, it doesn't come back up like it should. So same for up, it's just kind of catching. So I think that is because this mount right here is actually bent. If you can see, it actually is bent up a little bit. So I'm going to be taking that off. I'm going to see if straightening that will loosen that tension, or at least we're going to try. Also, you won't guess what came in the mail. I ordered a sub cage and it finally came in. Video coming soon. Wished it was a day sooner. I don't like grease. Okay, that was pretty easy. Just got it all off and yeah, it definitely looks bent. If you could see right there, it took a lot of impact. So it's definitely bent. I'm going to put it back in the vise and I'm going to see if I can straighten it out. All right, so I've got the shifter. We're going to, the plan is to put it in here like so. Okay, and see if this works. It's really strong. I do not know how it even bent. It's so strong. I'm damaging my tool before I even bend it. Holy crap, it's slowly going now. It's literally a full-on swing trying to get it to move. I think I might have got it. It's a lot better, guys. If you can see there, it's definitely straightening up, so I'm gonna hit it a couple more times. The whole thing about this is I don't even know if it's actually gonna work. All right, guys, that's about as straight as I'm gonna get that. I don't know if you can see that, but that is about as straight as I'm gonna get it. So I'm gonna stop there, see what it does when I throw it on the bike. Oh yeah. Okay, now it's popping back up, so that's what it was. It was just the fact that there was so much tension on it from where it bent, but that took a lot of force whenever it fell. You can actually see scrape marks all on the bottom of it where it just flattened everything right here. So that took a lot of force right there. But okay, guys, I think that about wraps it up for today's video. Second loop today, not too bad. Barely got some road rash on my back. Nothing major, and then I just tore my jeans a lot more. So Not too bad. Definitely excited to get that rear sub cage on. Stay tuned for that. That's going to be the next thing going on, and then I'm going to have to get me a taillight since I think only 3 or 4 LEDs work now. I have really wrecked that taillight. But anyways, guys, if you guys enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like or subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know what you want me to do next. Not loop comments, but hopefully something as in like, I would like you to ride out a wheelie without falling for once. Can't